Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to delete your Snapchat account permanently. So maybe none of your friends use Snapchat or you just want to get rid of it. I'll show you how to delete your account permanently on Snapchat if you want to delete it. So first things first, go to Snapchat and then click on your little Bitmoji profile picture in the top left corner. Once you click on that, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. And once you click on that, the settings page should show up, and then scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page. Here you'll be at account actions, and the third option from the bottom should be delete account. Click on that. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to a different page and you'll have to log into Snapchat real quick. So put in your password and your email, and once you do that, log in. And then after you do that, this page should show up right here. It should say delete account and then blah, 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 blah. You just have to put in your password and then you can click continue. So as you can see, once you delete your account, you'll have 30 days to recover it. So if you decide you don't want to delete your account, you'll have 30 days to log back into your account. But once you put in your password, all you have to do is click continue. And once you click continue, it will deactivate your account for 1 month. And after that 1 month is over, it will delete your account permanently. So if you want to recover your account, then all you have to do is once you go out of here, just click log in and then log into your account. Once you log into your account, this option will show up and it'll say, please wait a few moments for us to reactivate your account. And then once it's reactivated, you can log back in. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.